I could turn the hourglass over, if I could set the clock back, it wouldn't change a thing. I know that. I know that. And when I look at the world around me, I see what might have been, but every deed has got a price tag. Now I know that. You call me by name, you cut me wide open, you play me like a game, and this is what it's like living your life in regret. I wish I never, I wish I never, I wish I never met you. If I could write a letter in a bottle that could flow through space and time, I would tell myself a warning, I would tell myself a stop sign.